A life? Shit. A perfect light that shits. A spindly soul of cells and sparks with its own party pack of grievances. REM, zit, smile, subconscious. A hunk full of magic in it. She'll pass dumpsters and graveyards and forests leaking maple syrup. She'll wrinkle, roll, and feast, maybe burger, tofu, string cheese, and probably party, probably more than me. Or maybe she'll be more like me. Maybe she'll pick books over boyfriends. Maybe she'd rather a girlfriend. Maybe she'll like science and sockets or baseball, quantum mechanics. Maybe she'll huck pretty phlegm over the hoods of cars. Maybe she'll write poetry. Maybe she'll dance with magnets. Will she know she's magnificent? Yes. Will she see milk curdle, spiders spin, homeless men freeze to death? Will she take pictures or paint them? This shuddering supernova huddled somewhere near my cervix. I always sang to her, even before her hearing developed. When will her dads play my mixtape? Will she remember the talking heads, all the talks we had about manifestation, Shakti, escape? Will she be the first to raise her hand in class? Will she not care? Will she be too busy dreaming? Would she rather meditate? Fuck, who cares? No matter what, or where, or who she is, she'll be magnificent. We are all this, merely by being human. What could I ever say to her? Shit. The world is yours, and you are its. It is so beautiful to know you, and I know I ever will do. You're my sunbeam, my comet shower, my fits, my chakras falling loose. You are sputum and ovary. You are more than I'll ever be. You've grown from grape to apple, from cantaloupe to little foal, for all life starts a seed, some tiny will, some hazy goal. And one day soon you'll shed from me, swim to some house near a stream, hold your dads close, learn feet and speech, hear Chopin on the piano, for they do love you fiercely. No matter where you go, forever thrives your soul. You are a masterpiece that shits and smiles and craves and needs and creates and kisses, explores and speeds. You will beat back the machines, the sins, the fasts, the throws. You are life, and you are smoke. You are forest, and fire, and buds.